Mabuhay, it's Izzy from Izzy's Island here. Today I'm going to be doing King's Court with squishies. So yeah, if you don't know how King's Court with squishies works, you pick two squishies and then you drop the one which you don't want. I don't know why this is here, it's not squishy. That looked like my dog before, but now he's shaved and bald. Anyway, so yeah, and the second round is gonna be me, the winners against, the winners. So I don't know the squishies. It can be like common versus common, or common versus rare, or rare versus common. I don't know. So I'm just gonna pick two squishies next to me. I got this. This in my finger. Rila Kumaloaf. It's a replica version. It's fast rising, but yeah, it's super cute. It's not that fast rising, but quick. And I'll just put this in this hand, and this Squishy Fun Steam Bun. It smells so good. This kind of smells like bread, or it doesn't even have like a smell. I'm just gonna squish this one. So I'm going to have to drop. Sorry. I'm gonna be putting the winners here. Oh, and if you're new to my channel, like this video and subscribe to become a fluffy unicorn. Even if you don't, you're a fluffy unicorn to me. Okay. Here's the thumb. Okay, now the next squishy is this bread versus this meringue. This has like a lettuce thing here, and it smells like lettuce. I'm not joking, it smells really bad. I don't know why there's like string here. Shh, Daddy, gonna get copyright. Okay, so it's a squishy. It's super powdery. And I also have this squishy, which is a meringue. Daddy, shh, I'm gonna get copyrighted. Okay, so here's the squishy. It's super squishy and soft. And this one, it's powdery and it's not squishy whatsoever. Oh my, ew. Anyway, this or this, it's obvious. Sorry. This, I'm gonna pick this cake. It smells really good. And this I really carrot. So I think this is a replica. This one is a replica. Oh, this is hard. Thumbnail. Okay, thanks. And I think I'm gonna have to say I'm sorry if you wanted this one. I'm gonna choose this one. It's moisturizing, and I love this squishy. It's like a unique shape. And I'm gonna have this very messed up panda bun and this Cafe Dien cheeseburger. So I'm gonna switch them, and I already know which one I'm gonna get. It's so messed up. Sorry, this one. Okay, and now for the last. This was my first squishy bag. Not the last round. Okay, I have this Evelyn Peach versus the... Where did I pick that up? I saw a squishy, it was right here. This Hello Kitty donut. So, I don't know if this is a replica or not. It has a pretty nice tag. I know this one is not a replica. Because, like, nice packaging. And, oops, I know which one lost. Sorry, my Evelyn Peach is like my favorite squishy in my collection. So, here's my Peach. I think it's in a special limited edition packaging because it smells really good, but I never saw this packaging before. But I know it's not replica. This is the I Love Peach thing. I have this super duper squishy cat pen. And this mushroom squishy. Okay. And what happened to the face here is it was in the shower with me, I think, or like my dad threw it in the shower and then it got wet, so the face washed off. But it's super duper squishy. Same, this mushroom is also super duper squishy. This is gonna be probably the last round, the second to the last round. And this one. And the last round. This Kibu ice cream. The first YouTuber who ever got this. And this cat. No. Honey. This donut thing. Oh my gosh. Thumbnail instead. I hope so. And it's more still rising, but I like this one more. It smells super good. Okay, now the winners are gonna go against each other. This or this? This. This or this? This? This or this? This. And then I have this, which is an extra, so I'm gonna say winner. So I have these four, and I'm just gonna round it off. This versus this. Wait, no. This versus this. This. And this versus this. Obviously. This one. So this versus this. Okay, this is a hard decision. This one. I hope you guys enjoyed this video today. Hope to see you next time. Bye.